Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you guys how to solve the problem on the service airbag lights on 2006 Chevrolet Silverado, and here is the code number that I got it. This code number is P0100 electronic front end sensor 1 performance, and the other one is B0103 and electronics front end sensor 2 performance. So okay, let me show you guys how to solve it. Okay, so let me turn the key off and go outside right now. Before you start do anything with the airbag, please disconnect the battery, okay, the negative one. Disconnect the batteries out, okay. We don't want any problem while we do the sensor. And here this is sensor look like, guys. So we call you see it, we call a front impact sensor for the airbag sensor. This one, let me show you guys this airbag look like, and before I remove it, and location is on the front, you know. This is sensor with a impact airbag sensor look like. So okay, let's go down there and show you guys how to do it. Let me turn on the flashlight, and you see the sensor up there. You need to remove the lower engine covers out. Is here the sensor up there, one on the passenger side and other one on the driver side, and the tool to remove it is number 10mm wrench. Okay, let me show you how to get this job done. Okay, see the sensor up there. Here's the sensor. It's blocking, you guys cannot see it clearly, but anyway, you know, when you do it, you know what I'm talking about. And see the sensor on passenger side is a little bit hard for you to see it, but on the driver side gonna be much clearly. So let me remove the one on the passenger side first. It's just a clip it, click on it and pull it out, okay. And use number 10mm to remove it. This one very common on you know, on Chevrolet, on a Chevy truck, for the pickup one, very common problem. I checked like so many already, but some car they use only one sensor, but this one is two for the sensor. So let me remove one on a passenger side out first. It's hard for you to see, you know. I knew it. It's blocking the hose for the transmission, the cooler hose in here. So anyway, this a new one. Look like it's a new sensor. Let me install the new sensor, and I gotta do on the driver side one. You're gonna see it very clearly on the side because nothing blocking the camera. So let me install the passenger one, and sorry, you know, you cannot see it clearly, but nothing can do. There's no room. Oh, number 2 going then. Okay, so all set. I'm gonna put the plug back in and start on the other side. This one is for the safety lock it. Boom. Okay, let me move the camera to the passenger side one. The passenger side I know it is see much clearly. Here you see the location of the airbag sensor, impact sensor on the driver's side. It's on that side. Let me use my flashlight up there. Move it up, you can see it very clearly. See it, the sensor in it, just pull it, pull the safety lock. Click on it and pull it out. It's out now. And use the wrench number 10 millimeter. Pull it to remove the screw. Right. So a very simple job. You know, you can try it at home, but the point you need the big scanner to find out what's wrong with it. Sometimes from a problem from the airbag, sometimes from the steering angle sensor, and the most common problem from the impact sensor. It's very common problem. So I took out the old one. There's a new one. I just got it. Let me reinstall it, guys. Very simple, just plug and play. Okay. Okay. So it's in now, and time to tightening the nut, not the bolt. Sorry, it's not the nuts. Tightening the bolt a little bit, and put the plug back in. Let me plug it. Just plug it. Here you go, and put the safety lock one on the center. It's all right. It's all set right now, so I'm gonna move the camera up there and show you more. Let me move my camera. All right, so we're gonna connect the battery back in and go inside the car, and let's see. Let's see how it goes. So just tightening the battery. All right, and let's go inside the car and turn the key on. After you turn the key on and start the car up, and let's see. See the airbag light still blinking. Right now it's gone. The problem solved. So it is how to solve the problem on the service airbag on a Chevy or Chevrolet or Silverado, guys. So very simple, and you can save a lot of money. But as long as you know, before you replace the sensor, you should let some mechanic diagnose, or you have a big scanner, you can diagnose by yourself. Or you can try the sensor first and let's see what's going on. But on that car, it's a very common problem on the airbag. No, it's not a impact airbag sensor problem. Very common problem. I check a lot. So there's a code in here. I'm gonna clear the code. Boom. Yeah, it's ready to go, and yes, it's all set. No more code show on the screen. And okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Any question, just let me know. I'm happy to give you more detail on it, and thank you.